Let's see, I got this maybe about 5 years ago. So that's the Bird Jam playlist. I have a Screech Owl on it right now, so I'll just go to that. And we can play a Screech Owl. Oh, I'm sorry, we don't have a Screech Owl. It's an Eastern Wood Pewee. I'm going to have to get a Screech Owl for us. Owl. Owl, 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 barn owl, eastern screech owl. Play it. Turn the speaker on. See it? Then it also gives you a description of the call, what kind of calls you have. And I can go to the birds on either side of it then in the list.
How about a songbird? You got any common songbirds that be around here?
That's what I'm trying to get some in with the screech owl, but all I got was a crow. Thought it was a screech owl. He was going to try to mob me. But I did call. I've been calling in scarlet tanagers. Right now, nothing would be here except maybe a cardinal and titmice. We can try. That's a wood thrush singing right now. That's it. Close. Come on, let's go. Here's the song. Come in closer. Sweet. Pretty similar. They're a little upset.
Because what, they think we're in the territory, or?
Yeah. Because there's another thrush here in the territory.